Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today I'm doing a little sneak peek of our November stamp of the month. So it's this really cute stamp set. It features this really cute penguin holding a cup of hot cocoa. And I'm going to make a card today, and I'm using a new cover plate die that I got. It's from Hero Arts. It's like a sunray. So what I'm doing is I cut out 3 different patterns of paper, and I'm going to interchange the patterns on this sunray. So I'm using the negative of the die for my template. So I thought I was smart, and I'd use this so that everything would go back into place perfectly. But what I didn't take into consideration is that the glue kind of stuck to the template, and I was having problems kind of getting it off the paper. You'll see in the video, but I think if I would have lifted it up each time I laid the glue down, it would have worked out better. But in the end, it turns out, and it looks really, really cool. So let me talk a little bit about the Stamp of the Month Club. We do have a club for just the stamp, or we have the stamp and coordinating die. So coordinating dies are new to the company, but we're only doing them right now with the Stamp of the Month Club. So if we get more interest, then I might branch out to do dies for the other stamps. So to join the Stamp of the Month Club, all you need to do at checkout is change the frequency to monthly. Then you'll get your stamp every 30 days from the day you purchased. You also get an 18% discount when you join the club. Now you can purchase this as a one-time purchase, you just won't get the discount. Right now you can purchase our October stamp set. It's a super cute ghost Halloween stamp set, and it's available with the die or without the die. I'll have the links in the description box for you in case you want to pick that one up. So this penguin one goes on sale November 1st, and any leftovers of the Halloween stamp, I'll have that in the Not Too Shabby section. So I'm just finishing up here, and then I'm going to lift this template right off my card base here, and I do run into a little bit of trouble. It gets stuck in a little bit of places where the glue kind of grabbed onto the template. But I get that off, and the card looks super cool, and I really like the design of it. I like that you could use a lot of different pattern papers, so that makes me happy. So what I'm going to do is play a little music until we get to putting the characters on the card. I chose a circle with a scallop for my focal point. I'm going to use that to arrange my images on. I'm going to pop up the penguin because I want him to be out in the front. So I'm going to put that little cute little cup of cocoa to the side, and then have the little marshmallows in the scene. So I thought maybe next to the penguin would be good. I'm also going to use the Merry Christmas. I love that the die cuts out the center of the C. I'm going to lay that one straight onto the paper, And I'm going to pop up those little holly berries. I thought I'd put that on the top of the card, kind of like a mistletoe. I thought it looked cute there. So I'm going to pop that up. So I'm going to arrange my little images here, and then I'll meet you back when the card is finished. I thought the clay bits, the little snowflake mix, was a really cute touch. So now it looks like it's snowing down on this cute little scene. So I hope you enjoyed the card, and don't forget to come check out the Stamp of the Month on November 1st. Thanks for watching. Bye now.